Tracfone uses your zip code to determine your coverage area, billing taxes, and available phone numbers. Changing it is necessary when you move, update your billing address, or want a local number. To change your zip code, log into your My Tracfone account through the app or website. Navigate to Account Settings or Plan Details and update your address. You may need to confirm with a one-time password sent to your phone. This process is generally fee-free but requires a valid U.S. zip code. Your zip code determines which network towers Tracfone assigns you to, such as Verizon or T-Mobile networks. Changing your zip code can alter your coverage areas, potentially expanding or limiting your service reach. This may require a service transfer if switching networks, which can involve temporary service adjustments. Incorrect zip codes can lead to service suspension or unexpected roaming charges due to mismatched coverage. While AI suggests optimal zip codes based on your location, manual entry errors are still common and can cause issues. Always verify your zip code to avoid service disruptions. Changes usually take 24 to 48 hours to fully process across Tracfone's systems.